Hello. A rise in coronavirus cases has led to a reduction in demand. Supply remains healthy and prices have softened as a result. So let's take a look in some more detail. Oil prices eased on Monday as global coronavirus cases rose. Oversupply also added to bearish sentiment, especially as Libya announced it would increase production. Libya currently produces around 680,000 barrels per day, and this is expected to rise to 1 million barrels per day in the coming weeks. Prices rebounded slightly on Tuesday as nearly half of the output from the Gulf of Mexico was cut due to the arrival of Hurricane Zeta. Despite the reduced output from the Gulf, all prices fell on Wednesday. The weekly EIA report showed an increase in stocks by 4.3 million barrels compared to the previous week. With coronavirus cases on the rise and further lockdown measures in place, demand is down. Prices continue to fall on Thursday and front-month Brent lost just over $1.50 per barrel to close at 37.65. This is the lowest level seen since the beginning of June. Gas prices fell on Monday as wind generation increased and European carbon prices fell. Most near-term contracts lost around a penny a therm. Near-term prices eased again on Tuesday, however, curve contracts posted gains day on day, taking direction from oil. Reduced Norwegian supplies into the UK also supported prices. The upward direction, however, was short-lived and further losses were seen on Wednesday. Wind generation rose to 11 gig, which reduced demand for CCGT, as well as demand being below the seasonal norm given the localised restrictions. Thursday was another bearish day and all contracts closed last night lower than last Friday. Jan 20 was down nearly 3.5 pence per therm, Summer 21 down 2.2 pence per therm. That's a loss of 7% and 6% respectively. Power prices fell on Monday in line with their gas counterparts. But in contrast, prices fell further on Tuesday despite the upside seen in gas. Strong wind generation and a weak wider fuels complex all directed curve contracts lower throughout Wednesday and Thursday. Last night saw seasonal power contracts close lower than last Friday. Summer 21 closed at £42.6 per megawatt hour and winter 21 at £48.5 per megawatt hour. That's down 5% and 4% respectively. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.